You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Yesterday I talked about this very little move to the downside to this very area of 18k level, and you see this spike as a result of Federal Reserve rate hike, and market did as I predicted. And also on the 4-hour chart BTC, I said market is going to come back down from this area. Market move a little bit. This spike was as a result of Federal Reserve rate hike, and market did come down as predicted. And also on ETH, market come back down also as predicted. So today, what are we paying attention to and what are we looking at in the market? All of these and more in today's video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart here, BTC USDT, you see the market has already priced in prior to Federal Reserve rate hike, and I always say that once you see the market priced in prior to rate hike, it means that market is going to move a little bit to the upside before continuation, and we can only verify this after 24 to 48 hours after the Federal Reserve rate hike. That means we want to see a significant bullish candle around this area that will confirm that entry. So what I am waiting for right now is a significant candle that is bigger than this body right here. And once I see that significant candle that will show that the bulls are in the market ready to move the market to the upside, I will take a buy position for the market to move to the upside. That means in as much as we see this very move to the downside as a result of Federal Reserve rate hike, we are not just going to enter the market immediately. We have to wait for confirmation for us to actually take that very trade. So I am still paying attention to market moving from this very area to the upside on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. On the 4-hour chart here, I talk about market coming back down. You see, from this very area, market was coming down, and I said market is going to come down to this very level of 18k. You see, this very area was when the news was released, and this very spike after then market come back down as predicted. Right now, what are we paying attention to? What I want you to understand right here is, you see the market moving to the upside now, but I am expecting the market to move to the upside a little bit, then come down to have a retest before the final move to the upside. And my target is this 20k level, that is this level of resistance. We have resistance right here, we have resistance right here, and this is a spike at this very point, meaning there's a resistance here as well. So I am expecting the market to move from this very area where the market is right now to the upside, and this should be the resistance that should resist the market from going to the upside. And if we break this resistance level, then we're going to move up to this level of 22k around this very area. Okay, so this is what I am paying attention to right now on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. What you should be paying attention to is the market moving from this area to this very level of resistance. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, I also talk about market coming back down, and you see market did come back down as predicted after the Federal Reserve rate hike. And right now what I am paying attention to is market moving to the upside. So from this area of 1269 to this very point of 1200 at this very area, I am expecting the market to move from this very level to the upside. That is between the 1200 right here to the upside. That means we could see the market move down. Once we see a significant bearish candle, I am going to jump into a position here as well for the market to move to the upside. And pay attention to this very level of resistance. Reason why we see this very spike, you see markets tend to move to the upside. This candle was a bullish candle, but prior to the close of this candle it turned bearish. That means there is a very strong pressure resisting the market from going up at this very area, which make this very candle to come back down, and the formation of this very strong bearish candle to the downside. That means even though you take a trade at this very point for the market to move to the upside for a buy position, you have to pay attention to this very level of resistance, because it will resist the market from going to the upside. So this should be your target if if you take a trade from this very area, but wait for the market to come back down a little bit, then a significant bearish candle is going to be a nice buy entry from this very area of support. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH USDT for our chart. What do you think about the market on this very pair on BTC? Do you think market is going to move back down a little bit? That is from this very area. We're going to see the market go back down a little bit before the next move. That is go down below the 18k level to 17k level. Okay, comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do your registration right away to claim those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.